On our USD card, we'll be doing our analysis on it. First of all, we can see it on our daily time frame. Our USD card actually rejected this area, marking this as a key level area where our price touches and fall, touches and fall, touches and fall. But one thing is that we are starting to see an uptrend move on this our USD card. You can see this area here that I've highlighted that our price touches and fall now. It is starting to serve as a support area. No, it is no longer a resistance area. You can see now our price, just kind of come here first, it pushes up, serving as this area is starting to sound legitimate to us. As you can see, our price falls, pushes up, it came down here to test this area here where our price was once a resistance level, right? It did not go down, it actually pushes up again, and now our price also come here to test this area, having this huge wick, by the way, this huge wick. And now I very much likely that it's very much likely our USD card would actually go bullish. If you are to sit on this our daily time frame here, from here you can see this uptrend move. By the way, our price broke this our previous higher highs here. Price broke our previous high, has gone to test this legitimate key area here. Very much likely we'll be having a bullish move, and if possible for the week, break the below this our highs here. But before we go that, we very much likely to go bullish and close bullish. I would want to personally see us closing bullish or going bullish till around 1.30490. We are currently trading at 1.29783. Note, it depends on when you are actually watching this video. So we would want to see our USD card to push up to around 1.3490. Exactly what I possibly think might happen, by the way, on our USD card. That is if our price plays out, by the way. So if it plays out that way, fine. Now on our DXY, we can see it here. Our price comes here, tested this area here, right? Tested this area, and our price broke above, came back to test this our area, our price broke above, and now our price is coming here to test this area again, double retestment. So I believe once our price tested this area, giving us a huge week, which we actually saw on our USD card about yesterday on our daily time frame. We actually had this huge week. By the way, we said our price went bearish and closed with this huge week. So very much likely we are to open bullish today and close bullish. So that is why we see our DXY. Once our DXY starts giving us that bullish move, then we would very much see a bullish move on our USD card. But before we consider taking that buy we are aiming for, I would say let us actually get a retracement on our 1 hour time frame. On our 1 hour time frame on our DXY, we have actually gone bullish. Once our price falls to test this area again and it start giving us that bullish move, then I'll say it is actually a good opportunity to take our buy on our USD card. That's on our 1 hour time frame. It will give us a bullish move, and our price will very much likely break our previous higher highs. So this for today, I would very much want to see a bullish move. We can see it on our USD card, a huge push up on our 1 hour time frame. We are waiting for a retracement, which we are at least starting to get retracements, then a continuous bullish move on our USD card on our 1 hour time frame for the day.